Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you're about to tell, this is going to be a wig unboxing video. This is from UNice Hair. This is their 24-inch water wave headband wig. Here I'm just showing you guys the packaging. It comes with a 2 headband and a wig cap. Okay, and don't forget to check out the description box for the link down below if you guys are interested. And here's the second headband that I was telling you guys about. Now this is the hair fresh out of the box, and look at the curls. The curls are really pretty, really cute. So what I'm gonna do with this unit, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear it as it is. I'm going to spray some water and add some mousse in it. Here I was just testing for shedding. I did get just a little bit of shedding at the end, but it does have 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. It also have an adjustable strap in the back along with those big elastic band. Make sure you guys stay to the end of the video because I am going to be showing you 2 ways to style this unit. So before I go ahead and install this unit, I'm going to just use some eco styling gel and just brush my head back. And then I'm going to go ahead and use an edge control. I'm going to be using the Sweetie Kiss edge control. Here it is right here. I really like this edge control because it gives me that hold that I need. Even though it dries fast, like it gets hard fast, but it gives me that hold. Okay, so you kind of have to work fast when you're molding your baby hair with this edge control. So all I'm doing is brush my hair back with the gel, and then I'm just gonna do the baby hair. Once I'm done with the baby hair, all I'm gonna do is just tie it with my head tie, and then I'm gonna just leave it for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. While I wait for the baby hair to kind of dry down, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the hair with water. I'm just gonna add water and mousse, that's all. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this unit on. It's super easy. All you have to do is put it on and just snap those elastic band. I would recommend using the back comb just for extra security. Make sure you stick around and watch the whole video because I am gonna show you guys 2 ways to style your headband wigs. You do not have to wear your headband wigs the basic way. I am gonna show you guys 2 ways to just, change it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the headband that the wig came with. I thought it was super cute. The headband actually matched my brown shirt. It was not plain, but it came out super cute. Now you can wear this wig just like this as you would wear like a regular headband wigs, but stick around. I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to style it just to change it up a little bit. Alright, with the first style, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 pieces of hair You're gonna leave those in the front, and then you're gonna take the top hair and put it in a ponytail, and then you're gonna leave the back out, and then you're gonna go ahead and put back that headband. And this is style number 1. It is different, it is cute. You don't have to be boring with your headband wigs. Obviously there are so many styles that you can do with headband wigs, but in this video I'm only going to show you guys 2. And all I did here is added some mousse to the front pieces. And this is the first style, you guys. She is cute. Okay, I really like this style. So cute. All right, with the second style, all you have to do is get some hair in the front and put it on the side like you're creating a bang, a side bang. And then you're gonna get some, like a bobby pin, you're gonna hold it by your ear, and then you're gonna tie the head, the rest of the hair in the back. So I'm just adding water, add mousse just to kind of like lay it down some more. But this is the second and final style. Alright loves, this is the final look. Comment down below which style is your favorite. Don't forget, everything about this wig will be linked down below, so go ahead and check out the description box. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.